breaded chicken wings, more food that fools.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for yoyomax12.
Hello everyone. First thing you're going to do is whip up a batch of Rice Krispie treats, and that's basically marshmallows and some butter, and you melt it in the microwave or on the stove. Add some Rice Krispies and stir it around and you're done. I will put quantities in the description box if you don't have a recipe. Once that's done, it's time to form your wings. Now, the best way to handle Rice Krispies is to wet your hands a little bit with a tiny bit of water. It'll just keep it from sticking to your fingers. Let the treats cool down a little so that you can mold them. And then you're going to mold the two parts of chicken wings, which are the drumettes and the flat parts, the flats of the chicken wings. So you have equal numbers of both, if you'd like. And then just let them cool so that they harden up a little bit. Now for the wing sauce, I'm using apricot jam. So I put some of that jam into a bowl and then I put it in the microwave for just a few seconds just to loosen it up and you kind of liquefy it a little bit. Then to this, I'm adding some brown sugar, about equal amounts, because I want to change the color of the apricot jam to look more like a barbecue sauce that you might find on some breaded wings. To make it look more like breaded wings, I'm adding some cornflake crumbs just to give it a little bit of texture, because we want to try to conceal the actual Rice Krispie of the wings that you're making. And that is a tiny little bit of brown food coloring on the end of a toothpick. I'm adding just a smidge of paste brown food coloring and then stirring that around. And I just added enough until I got a color that I thought looked like something you'd put on chicken wings. And then I just took a pastry brush and simply spread a generous amount of the sauce on all sides of the little chicken wing parts, just to make them look like they're covered in sauce. And that's pretty much it. They are done. Now the way you serve them is going to make them look even more realistic. What I did was I put a little bit of vanilla yogurt to make it look like blue cheese dressing, and I added some celery sticks, which are green Twizzlers that have been cut in half lengthwise and then just cut into sections. And I served them in a little basket with some of that checkered paper to make it look even more realistic. These are awesome. I think they look great and they actually taste good too, which is a bonus, of course. Now, if you enjoy this kind of food that fools recipe, I have a few of them on my channel on a playlist. Go ahead and click right on your screen. And while you're here, please subscribe and like this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.